Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the day 19 of our MS Excel journey and we are in the process of learning MS Excel. You are learning and continuously learning. I hope with the learning you are also executing and performing the functions which you are learning over here, because if you are just learning and not executing or not performing the functions, there may be a chance that you will forget or you will not remember the password when you further use or perform these functions. So don't just learn, execute and perform it while you do your work or any other work, and it gets remembered with you itself. Today let's go and see what other functions can we see in the MS Excel. In the previous videos we have seen the COUNTIF functions. By using the COUNTIF functions we have found the certain number of counts we will be getting by using the if condition and getting the result. Today we'll look into a advanced or a further formula of the COUNTIF, that is the SUMIF functions. By using the COUNTIF you got the number of persons, and by using the SUMIF you will be getting the sum which you require by using the conditions which you require. If I just go on telling the theory, it won't be the practical class. So let's just directly go to the MS Excel and see what can we do with the SUMIF formula today. Make sure to watch the video to the end so that you never miss any learnings in this MS Excel video where you are learning the functions and the formulas in the MS Excel. Let's go directly into the Excel. So this will be the Excel in which we look how can we use the SUMIF formula and get the result. This was the same Excel which we have used in the prior video as well. In the prior video you have seen that by using the COUNTIF we have got the answer for the 4 questions over here. That is, here we are just getting the count of the number of persons and not the sum. If you come to the 5th question over here, that is which you are looking today and helping to solve the question by using the SUMIF formula for the 5th question over here. Here if you see, it's asking for the total maintenance which is paid by a person who is staying in the flat section A. Now what does this mean? It means I am searching for the total maintenance which I am supposed to receive from the persons who are living in the flat section A. That is, wherever there is a A written over here, I want the total values corresponding to these values. That is, I want the total of the annual maintenance wherever the flat section is mentioned as A. So now over here, one way to do it is as usual the manual way, that is you come over here, see for flat section A, see the amount and just go on calculating it. But by using the SUMIF formula you no need to waste your time just coming and doing it manually, because as I have told, when the data is vast and huge, manual calculations are too much time consuming and unproductive work. We'll look into the SUMIF formula and see how can we get the result. Here to use the SUMIF formula, I first put the formula, and prior to putting the formula, I need to give a is equal to so that I enable the formula over here. I put is equal to, I type SUMIF, and now when I press tab, the SUMIF formula is activated, and now it asks for the 3 arguments which I am required to enter or put it over here so that Excel performs its work and gives us the result. Now over here it asking for the range. Range means the area where your data is present or from where you are fetching the condition for it. Now I take the range over here as my D column, that is the flat section, and put a comma. Now it's asking for a criteria. Criteria is nothing but you are looking for the values as specified in the question. Here it was asking for the total number of persons, total maintenance of the persons who are living in the flat section A. So now here the criteria is A because I am looking for the maintenance from the flat persons who are living in flat section A. Now over here, just typing A will not give you the result, as whenever you put a word or a number in the formula, you need to put it within double inverted comma. So I open a double inverted comma, put a, close the double inverted comma, and put again the comma. Now over here it's asking for the sum range. It is nothing but the range where your values are present. Now over here I'm looking for the annual maintenance and it is present in my I column. So I simply drag it till the end and close the bracket, and now I press enter. Now I am getting the answer over here as 2,52,000, and this was for the persons who are staying in the flat section A. Now if I come to my basic Excel details, if I check it manually, I can see that over here there are 6 persons living in flat section A, and if I just take the total of that, I am getting the value as 2,50,000, and here by using the formula also I am getting the right result. Now whether we can use the autofill function and get the result for the below mentioned questions as well. Here we can do the same, but before doing it we need to put a absolute reference for the reference given inside the formula and also change the criteria over there. One way to do it is just come over here, put an absolute reference for the references which you have given and press enter. Now you just need to click and drag it till the end. Now it's coming as 2,52,000 for every cell because here the criteria is not changed. This you have to do it manually. So I come over here, put it to B, here come over here, put it to C, and over here I put it to D and press enter. Now it's giving me the result. Now is there a way that I can use a formula over here and get the criteria specified? Yes, there is a formula over here which you can use and get the formula also by inserting a formula in the criteria part of the SUMIF function, so that you don't need to type it manually again. And this will be coming in the next video. The next coming part, that is by putting a formula to the criteria itself, will be coming up in the coming videos. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates and learnings in the MS Excel, all from me. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe the channel so that you never miss any learnings in the MS Excel. Thank you and have a good day.